In this video, we will be talking about lesson 1.3, membrane structure. We are first going to talk about the parts of the fluid mosaic model, which include the phospholipids, the integral proteins, peripheral protein, glycoprotein, and cholesterol.
Phospholipid forms bilayers in the water due to the amphipathic properties of the phospholipid molecules. Amphipathic means having both hydrophilic and hydrophobic parts. The hydrophobic parts of the phospholipids are the two fatty acid cells. The hydrophilic parts of the phospholipids is the phospholipid head. Proteins are temporarily attached by non-covalent interactions and associated with one surface of the membrane.
The two integral proteins of the cell membrane are the carrier protein and the channel protein. They are permanently attached to the membrane and are typically span across the bilayer. The integral proteins act as pathways for molecules. The carrier protein can be active or passive transport, while the channel protein is always passive.
Glycoprotein is a protein that has sugar attached to it. It is always found outside of the plasma membrane with the sugar facing out.
Cholesterol is found only in animal cell membranes. It is an amphipathic molecule just like phospholipids. The role of cholesterol in a cell membrane is to reduce membrane fluidity, separate phospholipid tails to prevent crystallization, make the membrane permeable to small water-soluble molecules, and help secure peripheral proteins.
Danieli and Davidson proposed a model whereby two layers of protein flanked a central phospholipid bilayer. The model was described as a lipoprotein sandwich, as the lipid layer was a sandwich between two protein layers. The dark segments seen under electron microscope were identified wrongly as representing the two protein layers. In light of these limitations, a new model was proposed by Seymour Singer and Garth Nicholson in 1972. According to the model, proteins were embedded with a lipid bilayer rather than existing as separate layers. This model, aka the fluid mosaic model, is preferred by scientists today.
I hope you enjoy.